we stopped, we were actually trying to debug some issues we were having. So we'll continue that work for now. I'm just going to announce to the peoples that we're starting, if ever the peoples would like my presence. And there I go. So we are in the world of Linux. Let's go. There's always some booting time, but of course, the marvel of Linux is I can shut down and most of the system is still open. It takes more time to boot, but at the same time, it's kind of interesting that you can just reboot and everything's gonna be there. Just works TM, eh? That's not the gooder. The gooder. It is not. Ooh, I had that opened. Oh. Oh, that's for code. What? Yeah, open it in the terminal emulator. And we're gonna open up this too. Really important to have our code blocks, so we can block the codes. Okay, so the issue we were having was with downloading some packages. And the other thing that we did was we programmed the symbols, which is fine. We're quite there. Like, if I would have to evaluate the work that's done now, we're maybe like 80% there. Now there's a couple of stuff that we're gonna need to do. But because I'm stupid, I think I'm gonna start making the icon, because my head is in a different space right now. I think it has to do with how we make projects, right? So when we work on projects, right, we have a specific goal. And when you're like 90% there, you kind of realize, hey, my head isn't into it as much. But you're like 90% of the way there, which is kind of odd. I mean, it probably has something to do with creating stuff, but yeah. So give me a sec. And we will, well, like maybe a low-hanging fruit that we could do was actually printing the help. That would help. So let's print the help. We're gonna make some pretty text, and we're just gonna print that pretty text. I mean, this is trivial. Like, I could probably over-engineer it. So have a command and the text related to the command. Let's do that. I like doing convoluted stuff. For no apparent reason. How many commands do we have actually? One, two, three, four. One, two, three, four, five, six. And with the help, we have 7. Okay. Let's create our array. Commands. And then text. God, I can't write. So in our commands, I mean, knowing what commands are available, like what is the order? Maybe we don't care. And this can be uninstall or rm. So install, uninstall, or rm. Info. Search. We do have to fix the search. So we're gonna fix the search. And 1, 2, 3, 4. That's just 4. Update. Install and uninstall, update, info, search. So what else do we got? Like I saw there's a feature in here for like bookmarks. Update list. And the help. Okay. I mean, the list is like the less interesting one, and then the help. Actually, if you don't put any commands, it's just gonna show you the help anyways, so. So now we got yeah. There's also a feature that I'm gonna add that might be interesting is it may be possible for users to specify multiple installs or uninstalls and multiple updates. Usually the updates, yeah, so we're gonna need to support that, but that should be trivial in a sense. Yeah, so we'll do the text. Install an app image based on the name supplied. I like having example, shovel. There we go. Beautiful. Then we're gonna have. Okay, it's logical. Cool. There we go. Okay, next step. We could put something like VS Codium, which makes sense. Then we have uninstall, we have update the then we're gonna have info to the name search for available app images on the app image hub. Username and can be a sub string of the name. List is going to be easy. List the installed app images on the system by shovel. And then show the help. Show this beautiful text to help. That's it. I think I wrote beautiful wrong. But yeah. Beautiful. Beautiful. Why is there an E upside down and in the wrong direction when we're talking about pronunciation? So now we need to print this. So we're gonna do a for loop. Print help. And I equal 0 I is smaller than command amount plus plus I, and then printf let's do something like available commands, there. Printf /t s well, yeah, we need that, but we're gonna do a /t, double /t's. So that's marvelous, right? So even if we add more commands, it's gonna work. Yay! Let's do some more. Let's do some tests. So let's do with no command. So that doesn't work. Cool. Oh yes. The marvelous error. I segfaulted. Cool. So why did I segfault? It's interesting times. Oh, because argc is probably segfaulted here. Since argv has nothing. So we should check, yeah. So that's what segfaults. That's what I thought. Yo. Yeah, sure, it's okay. Good game. And thanks for coming in, I guess. So, we're just gonna make sure that the command is valid. Or maybe you can just say like argc is bigger than 1, I guess. And does that work? Let's do that. Yay, no segfault. Yeah, that has to be the same thing because that's gonna segfault. Yay. What happened there? Go. What's the value of command amount? It's supposed to be 7, right? Okay. So commands. Does slash T not represent a tab? What is going on? So the text is there. So that works, but it's just not showing the text. So it seems to not like the slash T. But if I remove the slash T, maybe I'm putting it on the same line, yeah. I'm being stupid. I'm being stupid. There we go. Interesting. Maybe no slash T's? Or not no dual slash T's? Maybe that will make sense. There we go. And then we're gonna add 2 points. Be the one, be the one, be the. I don't like how it looks. So let's add no this. And let's try that again. Unicode car. Really stupid stuff, but having stupid stuff is important. So I'm gonna try that. It's probably gonna fail and it's totally useless, but sometimes having things that are useless is fun. So we'll try that. There we go. Useless. Smiley face, that doesn't work. But it's kind of funny though that it works here, but it doesn't work in the shell. I don't know what that represents, but we're gonna take katakana letter. Let's use the little smiley face. If it works in the most janky terminal, it's gonna work in all terminals. Oh, that's disgusting. But we like it. He looks like an idiot. Look at him. He doesn't know why, but he looks like that. It almost looks like a little clown. It's terrible. I guess that's what we get. Cool. So we can print the help. I mean, we can test with help, but in the end, it doesn't really matter. We can write help. And that's gonna write the help. Yes. I'm wondering in the print help, do we really need the 2 dots here? Maybe not. I don't know. I don't know how things look in life. We'll leave it like that for now. As I said, low-hanging fruit for the rest of the day. As my brain is pooped and I'm working later on today, so the print command, and we gotta fix the search. So search doesn't consider search. Yeah. Let's just drop everything to lower or everything to upper. Let's just drop everything to lower in that case, because that kind of makes no sense. So we'll do to lower other name. There we go. Now, Let's have another like this other app name, and then we're just gonna say like str copy from, well, the destination is other app name, blah blah blah, and the name is cur app name, and then to lower, and we're gonna do other app name, blah blah blah. Other app name. Okay. So that way, even if I write code OSS or whatever, it's still gonna find it. Let's do it. Search code OSS, or yeah, let's do something funky like that, and then that, and then O, and then E, because users are stupid, I guess. And let's do it. So that gives us code OSS continuous. So either way, it's gonna find it. So that's what we wanted to correct. Okay. Let's do code. Just code. Like weird code like this. So it gives us more options like Nepali Unicode, this, and the crosscode map editor, which is fine. It's cool. Okay. Now, so we have two options. One of the options is we draw an icon for the app, which I think I would be privy to. Sorry for my English. I think that the word I said is yeah, it doesn't work. But so either that, or I try to fix my issue when trying to install the code OSS app image. I was just checking on my cat. He likes to live outside, so I just gotta check regularly on him. So I am thinking. I mean, it could just be chill and try to draw. I'm gonna draw. It's gonna be disgusting when I'm gonna draw, but still. Let's do the drawing. Escal. Yeah, the free online editor. Create a sprite. And then we're gonna modify its resize. So we gotta be 256 by 256 resize. So okay. So we're gonna create a new layer because we can create layers in this. Yeah. Actually, we may remove this layer. So a shovel icon. So I have an idea of like what a shovel icon should look like. It should look like something like this. View image. Copy. And we're gonna paste. Resize to 256. 256 by 256. Import. Yeah, sure. Ah. Let's create a new layer and then add that in the new layer. So 256 by 256. Combine. You see that? Yeah, okay. That's kind of the stupid part. I'm probably gonna change a bit to this design because I want this to be more like a square or something. Like this. Can I rotate in increments? Like in 40 degrees or something? Can I shift click? Alt. Can I view more tools? Is there a rotate tool somewhere? It's interesting how these tools work. Let's use the hand. So this can move. Is there a rotate tool? And broke. It's quite interesting though. Interesting. The end. Piscal change rotation amount. You till the end. Yeah. Interesting. So it doesn't exist in Piscal. So I'm just gonna draw it. I mean, it's stupid, but I'm gonna do it. Okay. Let's use the tool. So we should use like a color. Like Ness gray. Let's have some Ness games. Maroon. It looks pretty interesting. I'm trying to draw a... Okay, that should work. So that color should work. I'll just have to copy that image and let's copy that in. 256 by 256 because I don't really care. It's gonna keep the aspect ratio. Yeah, next. Combine. Yeah, sure. As new frame. The animation are gonna current colors. Cool. So I'm gonna draw my little square. Let's pick this one. Maybe I should like do it in a smaller image and then resize it. Cause yeah, let's resize to 16 by 16 or 32 by 32. I'll do 32 by 32. No. Size. I still got the color though. What happened to my color? Oh. Let's keep the maroon. And let's draw in maroon here. And let's... yeah. And we'll delete that. Yeah, we'll draw in the first. And we'll delete that one. Okay. Then we need to get our handy shovel icon. It looks a bit like this. And a bit like this in my head. Like I want a little shovel like that. That makes sense. But that's not in the right angle, right? I mean, I could probably change the rotation. Can actually just save the image. Oh, it's an SVG. It's just gonna be the icon. We'll do this one. Copy image. And we're gonna paste that here. Yep, exactly. Because it's gonna be called shovel. 32 by 32. Okay. When it's not smooth, it looks like that back. Yeah, let's do it like that. How about 64 by 64? There we go. Combine. Yeah, sure. Oh, that's disgusting. That's not at all what I wanted to do, but yeah, sure. Well, it's not because I'm trying to dodge the copyright. I'm just... Combine. Yeah, expand canvas. Import. It's just, it makes sense to me anyways. Where's my color? Yeah, I want the color picker. Oh, there it is. That should be fine. I can't draw. I mean, in the end, it's just a shovel, right? That looks terribly, like really terribly pink, but I'm blaming the color in the background. So if I hide, yeah, okay. Wasn't there a method to like hide a layer? Or is that the layer opacity? So if we go here, yeah, that looks fine. I could use a Minecraft shovel, but I won't. Layer 1, blah blah blah. So let's use a gray. Let's find a gray color. Add a new color. And a gray. Let's add a layer. That's gonna be the handle. Well, not the handle, but the content. I need to change that color. Actually, let's change it here. Wow. Seems like I'm drawing nothing. Yeah. Why is that color like not filled? Oh, I'm erasing. God, I'm stupid. That was really stupid. You see why programmers shouldn't do art? It's because we erase when we want to draw. That's why programmers shouldn't draw. I'm kidding, of course. I'm gonna make this beefier and smaller actually, because I kind of don't like the handle how it is now. I'm probably gonna make the same shape though. because it's cool. I'm gonna fill. What? Why did you fill with the wrong color? Because probably the opacity should be at 1. There we go. Let's look at the layer here. Let's change this color. Exactly. Let's bring back this marvelous thing. So then we're gonna draw. What? It's because I'm drawing over white. So the end color isn't gonna be that disgusting thing. It's gonna be a better thing, but let's make it beefier. Like, it needs to be swollen. Like, what's that? Big Chungus? Yeah, it needs to be like Big Chungus. It's a little bit too Big Chungus, I think. Let's make it this kind of Chungus. And then we're gonna take that handle and we're gonna put it here. Now that handle should be like a wood color because I have opinions. And we're gonna erase this stuff here. Okay. Let's erase that. Actually, this tool is gonna make more sense. There we go. Then we're gonna erase this. I could have done that, but I think I learned my lesson. Maybe I didn't. I don't know. Maybe I can rename my layers so that makes sense. Can we rename them? Yeah, okay. Not handle. Stick. Stick. Shovel. And I know how to name that one. Handle. I think I got the handle on the handle. Cool. So let's draw the handle. Either it could be like the metal color, or it could be like a woodish color. I think a brownish color. How do we make brown though? Like with poo-poo? Yeah, there we go. That's a brownish color. In theory, color is all relative, so yeah. Don't worry, it's not that ugly. Poo-poo, yeah. When we're low-level programming, we gotta stay low, right? Remain the lowest of the low. Let's do the 0 opacity thing. What is that icon? I don't know that. Then let's try to have like a weird hole thing that's in the color that we had. Where's the color picker? Oh, that's okay, cool. There we go. Then we're gonna go back in the handle. So we're gonna make a weird hole. Because we make weird holes when we're talking about poo-poo. No, it needs to be a hole. Let's do some spacing. Let's do it like that, I guess. And then we're gonna fill with the other color, which is the poo-poo color. So, and then it's all gonna come together because I'm so good at drawing that it's magical. Now let's use the move tool. That's a Minecraft soup. Okay. So that's the icon for shovel. So you can see it's kind of cool. I mean, I could try something like try to add some dithering to it. But I'm so bad that I guess it. What? No. I think I'm gonna leave it like that and then have a background. Turn the handle around. What do you mean? Can I select multiple? So you want me to have this like here? That's looking to the right. No, everything needs to look to the left. So it connects to the other side. I don't get what you mean. Only the handle. Okay, give me a sec. So you want the handle to rotate. Yeah, I can't do rotations. Like that's... Yeah, I can't do like... It's the only rotations I can do. It's disgusting, right? It still works. And it's a free tool. So I'm not gonna whine. I'm gonna leave the whining to whine. But yeah. So you see, no copyright issues. It's its own shovel thing. So yeah. I think I'm finished-ish. I need a background thing. So I have an idea for that. Amazing. Art. Da Vinci. Yeah. Like maybe I could add some gradient, but I'm like so bad at it that I don't think it would be a good idea. Yeah, exactly. Can I use the color picker? Oh no, I can't. I should have used like a palette from a NES. That would have been like... Can I actually import one? Yeah, what kind of color palettes can it import? Yeah, okay, wait a second. I'm just gonna do something. So, NES color palette. There's a website for that, like, pixel art palette. I always forget what it's low spec. So low spec has a lot of, palettes. So that gives me some choice. Like something like this might be bad. Something like that washed over. I could use like paper pixels. Can I just download it? Yeah. Open in app. I think we can use that. So we'll get the palette. Since I suck at art, that's the best solution. Paper pixels. Yay, it works. There we go. Maybe it's gonna look prettier that way. Let's use our handy our handy. Maybe it's gonna be too kitty. I don't know. And it's gonna be that for the stick. Ooh, maybe bad. I think it's really bad. It's not gonna work. Yeah, it looks like too kitty. I don't like that. That looks sexy. Yeah, I might do that. I mean, I'm just trying out some Baksu 12. How do you make gray with this? Oh well, there is a gray. Let's use the Baksu one. Save. And then let's remove what we had here. New palette. And Baksu. Save. So let's try the Baksu one. I think it looks promising. And then we're gonna go and get the stick. And then we're gonna do the brown on the handle. And this for this. So now I need to figure out how, like you said, we could do some little like reflections, but reflections are gonna be hard. Whoa, oh yeah. That's like big brain stuff there. Let's do some, yeah, that's disgusting. Let's do some. That looks okay-ish. No, that's disgusting. Let's use an interlace those. No. I mean, would it be that? I doubt it. Oh, it looks like. Yeah, it looks like it could be that. And then for this, so we could like color this side and then add some little blemish to the here in the stick. I mean, that's totally off probably, but let's go with the shovel. So how does that look from far? No, that looks bad. Let's do something like... That's a straight line. That's disgusting. Let's do jaggy. Yeah, that's disgusting also. But it would be better if I had the right color, right? No. Something like that, maybe. No, I think like using the pen directly is better. I mean, maybe it's because the gray is too... That fits probably better. Let's try this also. But let's use the white color thing. So I'll change the name of the channel to me failing at art or something like that. That could be probably a better name. I don't like that. Let's do that thing there. And then let's use the eraser. Hey! What happened to my gray? Maybe I can use like an Yeah, that's bad. Let's just use the white. So it's like the light is coming from there. So then I'm gonna need some color to the not the handle, but the stick. This is probably like... Can I have a window? Yeah. This is terrible, but looking from afar, it's less terrible. Not too much. Like now I need to just give a little bit of light maybe to the handle, because the handle has space for our light, I feel. Like something like that. No, it's gonna work like that. And then we're gonna have a background. What is going to be the background color? So we should probably make a rectangle tool. Yeah, okay, so we're not gonna do it like that. We'll add a new layer. And we'll make a rectangle. Like, it needs to be like a semi-perfect rectangle. And I'm just gonna move it. It's gonna need to be bigger, right? So let's do that. Let's make it bigger and then like round out the pixels. It's at the top right now. So let's put it at the bottom. Or it at the bottom. And we can probably replace that because I'm not gonna change. Okay. Well, let's use the eraser. Like, I want a kind of roundabout thing. Now I'm gonna need like, whoa, like that. I'm gonna need some markers or something. So let's add some markers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, or maybe I could add, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's do 6. So we're going to erase. And then we're gonna erase this. So I said 6, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I delete. Yeah, we're gonna remove that one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we do at 5. Can we resize a layer? That would be chill. Or I can just do a contour. I think that's what I'm gonna do. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You know, I'm really living the YOLO life because I didn't save yet, and that could crash like at any moment. Considering how it works, So I'll just do a preemptive save. And then let's add a contour. Oh, what happened? I'm using the eraser. You know you're doing the right thing when you're drawing when you're using the eraser. I could probably just remake it from the Twitch video, but let's try to use a background color that's different. Because I want this to pop, but that pops too much. Can we use that color? Or maybe the blue color? Nah. Maybe the background, the right color for the background is that. And then we add this as a contour. Maybe not too perfect of a contour. Oh, whoa. Let's draw lines. Yeah. And then let's draw like... I'm leaving not enough space. Oh. Oh, yay. Yeah, I could try that. Now the question is, with that color scheme, how do we do shadows? That's disgusting. Look, no, that's terrible. I failed. I failed my mission. There. And then there. We need to be double here. Okay, no, that was terrible. Okay, I need to... This is better, I guess? Ish. Yeah, no, that side is terrible. Let's erase that. And let's do the shape tool. Yeah, the shadow is black, but the issue is, look at my color, the color that I have. So it's like a purplish. Yeah. Anyways, I think your idea isn't bad. It's just maybe I'll have to do something special. I don't know. Uh, okay, I get what you mean. Yeah. So you okay? I got an idea. So can we make a copy? No. Yeah. Let's make a new layer. And let's rename it shadow. So we're gonna draw our color. Of course it's gonna be black, but God, I can't draw. Ugh. I'm doing a terrible job because I want it to be let's add a new color or change that to new palette and then add a dark color. Can I just, yeah. Yeah, sure. And we'll use our trusty shovel. Then we'll use our selection tool. And we shall move. I mean, yeah, it needs to be before the background. Yeah, okay. Let's change its opacity. Like the resolution is it's 64 by 64. I mean, the shadow is a little bit too much detail. Or maybe I can like resize this. Can you uncrop and like resize that? Yeah, seems like it makes sense. Now I just need to go to Baku. I'll just try something because I can just revert what I'm doing anyways. Let's use this shovel. And a handle. And then let's use the yeah. Yeah, that seems a little bit sexier. If I'm not... Oh, that's disgusting though. Yeah, that's... No, it's 64 by 64. The size of the image is 64 by 64. Crazy, right? I'm unsure about the color of this. Whoa, no. No. How about the white color that we had earlier? Yeah, that's... Or we use the red directly. So it kind of ties everything together. Or... Like, it seems like it meshes, but maybe we'll try the dark color. Nah. I think the best fit is going to be the same color as the handle. But I feel like the contour needs to be made. No. Let's use the hand. That looks fine, right? Let's try something. That looks a little bit better. Am I crazy, or is it better? Like in that little image there. Yeah, I think that's it. Perfection. I'm kidding. Yeah, it's gonna be that. It's gonna be like this. So I'll save it. And I'll say to cancel. Save. Let's save it as shovel icon. Can I like rename it? Rename. Thanks for the help, by the way. Having someone's perspective really helps. Cause yeah. Now I still need to export it. Export. We're gonna need to have this 256 by 256. Let's delete the other frame. Yeah. PNG.png. That's like double the PNGs. Maybe we could center it a little bit, because that's gonna be a pain. Let's try to do something else. Let's try to do like Piscal. Create a new sprite, and then let's just try to import the image, because I'm lazy. Or can we merge all of them together? Yep, we can. So we're gonna import from browse.piscals, shovel icon, blah blah blah. Replace, yes. So let's do the, oh, we can remove this, right? Merge, 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 merge. Okay, now we can select it. And we can try to center it. Oh, I could have done that apply to all layers. So what is the apply to all layers? So we're gonna do that. Import browse.piscals. Replace, yes. So let's select like everything, and then do this. And hey, you're not doing all the layers. I said apply to all layers. You're not doing it to all. Oh yes, you are. What's the size of the image though? What? Okay, that was stupid. Okay, now it's... God, I hate this. Center. Are you centered? Yeah, that seems centered. Let's save it again. Save. And then let's remove our old one. And then rename that one. And that's it. Then we're gonna do that, and we're gonna export. Oh, sadly we don't have our palette. So I'm gonna need to bring that palette with the image. Can I just export? Yeah, PNG, single frame, cancel. Delete that. That's it. We got our icon. But I decided on a stupid size image. 256. Download. Is that 256? Oh, there's no... What? What did you know? That the background would be, Why did the background export with... Like, just make it transparent. Yeah, but I don't know, like... Like, that would be fine if I didn't have any background. But why does it export the PNG with... Like, I can actually fake it. I know how to do that. So I'm gonna go get the downloaded file. And I'm actually gonna open Inkscape. What? Inkscape. And then... Embed. Okay. Did they, like... I need to cut out the image. Oh, Pisco. Cut out image, Inkscape. Why? Like, why? I don't want to have ads. Yeah, I don't want to subscribe. I remember I have to do the contour or something. Yeah, you gotta do those dots things. But I just don't remember. It's cut out based on path or something. Yeah, blah, 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 blah. I know. Just give me the command. What, did you do it? Did you cut out the image? Did you do it? Yes, you did. Okay, so give me a sec. So you gotta go in clip set. Okay. There you go. That's how you do it. Could have taken 2 seconds if you would just have shown it, but yeah. Actually, no, that's terrible. No. I have failed you. That's better. Like here. There we go. And then we can do like, yay. Whoa, 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 whoa. Let's do it better. That's terrible. Let's do that, and then this, something like that. Yeah, I need to delete that point. Let's keep them. There you go. That's perfect. I don't mean to insult you, but the image in combination with a console application looks scuffed. What do you mean scuffed? I'll go look at the word. Abnormal. I mean, yeah, maybe. But I have an icon for my command line application. I don't care really. Oh yeah, that's bad. This is better. It seems abnormal because you didn't see it in the past, but it's totally normal for me. So what did he do? Like, I think he's selecting. Yeah, he's selecting both. And then this, and then object, flip, set. There you go. No, you can't, because it's terrible. There you go. I mean, it can't be more pixelated than this. So, one of the reasons why I wanted to do it in let's do 256. Or no, 512. Let's do 512. So one of them needs, it's going to be the height, which is going to be 512. 512. 512. Export as I don't know where you got the word scuffed, but it's cool. And the magic wand, there's no magic wand in this, I think. Yeah, there's no magic wand in Inkscape. But I never used magic wands anyways, because they're bad. Let's create a folder. assets. And we're gonna save it as shovel icon. Save. And then I'll need to copy this and the Baku whatever thing also. Baku is going to be here. So copy. Then we're going to go in our marvelous here. What? Sure. There we go. Here we go. Sorry, the Mario just cropped up in my brain. Scuff Station Gaming. Yeah, I never heard that one. But now I know about it. It means abnormal or uncommon. But the goal is to eventually have maybe the app image installer be also a GUI. So yeah, have a graphical user interface. It's just for now, it doesn't make sense really. So you would have both options to use it as a command line and to use it as a GUI. Okay, so we have our icon. And anyways, making visual stuff is always fun. And I don't know why, it's like the idea I had about it, like... Yeah. I don't know. It just made sense in my brain. So I did it like that. Okay. So for today, I fixed the search. I did the image thing. I should probably save that because I'm lazy. So that's how you do it, kids. I thought you said you're like 17, right? So you're not really a kid anymore, but yeah. I was just joking around anyways. There we go. Leave. Like at some point an artist is probably gonna say like, that's trash, let me remake it. Which will be fine. I don't know, like, if I make a GUI app, maybe I should use, like, the Baku palette for the UI. That would be chill. Anyways, ideas. So one of the things that I need to do, that I should actually research, and I'll actually research now, the console to work. Well, it works on my machine. No, but it works. It's just there are some little bugs that will annoy people, and it makes sense. I just wanted to like some little stuff to do. Oh, you're talking about the GUI thing? Yeah. Of course. I need to make the console version work. Or the terminal version work. So I think, yeah, one of the first things I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to search how to make things compile right. So right now I just call I just call cmake and make C. Can we say like make static or something like that? Let's go have a look. Like that would be the make file. Static. Did they remove the static linking? That would be terrible. Yep, you can use it for both. For HTTP and HTTPS. But you need to supply the cursor dot blah blah blah. There's a cursor.pem in there. Okay, let's have a look in this. Lib. Do they have like versions? Yeah. So the default target is all. So the binary dir is libraries curl. Yeah. What did you realize when you were remaking your Connect 4? Yeah? Can I... It'd be fun to have like libcurl.dir. So let's have a look in libcurl.dir. Where's that? So build.make. That's in the cmake files. That's probably normal. It really depends on your code. Do you have your code somewhere? Like on GitHub or something? You can share the... give me a sec. I'm just gonna open up the... I'm just going to open up... we can remove the paper thing. We can remove that. And we can remove Kabaku. Cursor.pem, we can remove that also. Okay. Sure, like make one so it's gonna be easy for me to go and look at your code. Cause like sometimes when you get like more complex stuff, you need to actually have access to the code to like understand what's going on. And that way I can actually like comment not necessarily on your form or anything, but more in the sense of, well, you're doing it, well, I can more easily explain why you're doing it wrong in parentheses. Build static image. Yeah, that's GitHub. Interesting. I'll try that. Let's... it's the... what does it say? It says this. Let's use that. And let's see what happens. Everything shall explode. Okay. So did it build? A libcurl.a. Where is my libcurl.a? Let's do something like here. Whoa. What's happening? Copy. Paste. Let's do clean. Yeah, let's do this. Paste. Okay, so it made this. That song is disgusting though. Well, it's not disgusting. I just don't like it. So let's try to build. What? No. Okay. You made it private. You gotta make it public. Sadly. Yeah, by default, it might go to, This is not a virus. Funny. I'll try something. You don't exist, apparently. No, you exist. Okay, so you exist. You have no repositories. Yeah, you don't have any public repository. Linking C static library libcurl.a. Okay. Where's libcurl.a though? Like, Did you really generate a libcurl.a? God. Open containing folder. Can I just search libcurl.a? ls. Okay. cd lib ls. Okay, so I do have a libcurl.a and a libcurl.so. Oh no, you can make it public. So go in the settings. So on your repository, if you click on your repository, you have somewhere some settings that you can modify. Okay. Let's just add it from there. So what's happening though? Like, what's that? There's something wrong or something. So let's close this. Let's rebuild. Okay, it's public now. Interesting. Dude, you're redeclaring I. And you're only using A and B? I don't get. So how does A change? A never changes. It does. I don't know why though. Maybe you encountered some undefined behavior? I doubt it. I mean, I wouldn't trust the code, I guess. Like, you should do A++ after this or something. I mean, the better solution would be like remove this and then rename this A, rename this B, and you're done. No, but replace your I's with A and B, and then just use the B++. Oh yeah, but it's kind of weird. Well, it is totally weird, and like I don't get why it's. Actually, I could probably just try this. Yeah, I won't try it now. I'll try it later. Because I need to log in, but I don't want to give my email. So the bad thing about curl is it has a dependency to MD5 and a couple of other things. And it would be fun to know, like, could you show me the MD5? I'd like to know your dependencies. Do you have a competitor that's better? Libfetch. Okay, cool. Yeah, so curl is the command line application to do the HTTPS calls. If you just want to have something that calls the web and returns you some bytes. But when you want to include if you want to include functions that include the functionality that libcurl does, you can. If I could remove the dependency to this, to libcurl, maybe I would. But yeah, it's the same as libcurl. It's just libcurl is to include in your other application. Do you have a Git repo though? How old is this? $19.98? I'm not gonna use that. So that's for sure it's not gonna work anymore. Sadly. You can actually get OpenSSL binaries. But probably the best... Yeah, the best solution would actually be to use OpenSSL. So we can actually like version the version that it uses. Okay. Like, why doesn't it include... So usually the .a file should contain everything. Yeah, you can still download it, but it's not gonna work. So I'm gonna need OpenSSL, that's for sure. And I wonder if the MD5, curl MD5. Let's see, curl MD5. Like, is that another library? I'm gonna need to go, because I gotta go eat before I work, but so that's a library. Do I need to include the MD5 thing? Let's do something. So ls okay. Okay. That download link is probably older than you, is my guess. It'd be fun to understand, like, the dependency. Like, unless the MD5 stuff is in OpenSSL. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is going to be big. That's such a big dependency just to have HTTPS. So build and install. Yeah, I don't want to have shared libraries. Let's go have a look at something. Before we leave, we shall look at something. Build shovel. So we include the library libcurl.a. Maybe I need to add the flag, because I had an issue at the linking phase or the compile phase. Yeah, I'm gonna try something. I'm gonna try this. Cannot find lcurl. Why? So how is it linking? So let's go have a look at github.com armory3d slash armor core. King file. So how does he add his library? Maybe I need to add. Give me a sec. So V8 monolith. Yeah, the include. He adds the library. Oh, he adds a big L. Let's do something similar. Let's remove this. L. So it's curl, and then you do this. I'm just gonna try something. I'm gonna have to stop here. Why do I still have old code in this? Old code in this? Like that was modified. This doesn't exist anymore. Okay, whatever. What is that? So when it's the big L, do we need... Oh, the libdir. What is libdir? Libdir. Okay, so it's just the directory. So let's remove this. Let's do that. Yes. What do you mean no such file or directory? Anyways, let's not modify things too much for now. So we'll leave it like this for now, and we'll reevaluate how we do this. Uh, Static libraries are fun. So I'm gonna bid you. Yeah. Je vais te souhaiter a good night, and we'll see each other next time. Tomorrow I won't probably be here. I got a couple of. Well, I'm actually going to do. I'm going to be doing some hikes with my girlfriend, so I won't be here tomorrow. So I wish you a good une bonne fin de semaine, because a good weekend. God. So I'm gonna yeah, have a good weekend, and good luck with your fear event, and hope you get to finish it, or at least. Okay. So see you next week.